Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. And how are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Okay.
And you?
Yeah, I'm also doing pretty well.
Yeah, you are looking so pretty also.
Thank you.
So, what is the reason behind it?
I don't know.
Because you are gaining confidence and are speaking so well. That is the reason.
Yeah, maybe. But
Oh,
I is not good at this time
why?
because I could not practice daily. That's why.
Why? Why? Earlier you were so confident and you were so passionate for this language.
Yes, due to some personal
Oh,
reasons.
yeah, yeah. Due to the cold. Nowadays it's extreme cold in Delhi.
Yes,
Ah. So, in which place do you live? Which place?
I live in Pilibhit.
PLP. So how is weather there?
Too cold.
Yeah. Last 2 3 days we have been experiencing cold.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you think this is a good way to speak to enhance our speaking skills by interacting with YouTubers or like-minded people? What do you think?
Make conversation is not enough.
Hmm.
With yeah, we have to do lots of work for to learn this language, like
Yeah.
list and reading, writing.
So what do you do? No, there are
Yeah,
four
get
criteria.
time I listen speeches and reading books.
Which book do you like to suggest me? I should read that book.
I should read. You should read
Yeah.
Swami Vivekanand.
Sorry.
Swami Vivekanand.
Swami Vivekananda. Wow. So he was a very dynamic and good leader and an
Yes,
intelligent
yes.
person. Yeah. I also appreciate him.
And in this way, we can learn lots of vocabulary, new words,
Mhm. Okay.
and the way of speaking,
Okay.
how to express our thoughts.
Mhm. So you are a teacher? Are you you are a teacher, right?
Yes, but I'm not teaching anywhere. I teach subjects at my home.
You teach. So you take tuitions at home.
Yes, yes. And I have taught many years back.
Okay. Okay. So you love teaching.
Yeah, but at this time, I'm not doing
Mhm.
teaching anywhere.
So have you done your B.Ed or not?
Yes, I have done my BA.
Oh, so this is the reason. So you can easily you can get a job in any school up to fifth
Yes,
class. Up to fifth class, one to
yes.
five. Okay, 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 okay.
So, do you have a YouTube channel or not?
No, I don't think so. I am not a YouTuber.
Okay.
Okay. So generally nowadays, every YouTuber asks me, "You are a YouTuber?" So before sending a email, I always answer that I am not a YouTuber. If you are a YouTuber, then I will not talk to you. So that's why
Yeah,
I have mentioned this thing in my email.
I thought you have create your channel. That's why I'm
No,
asking.
no, no, no. Not now, but in future, I don't know. I will do or not.
Okay.
Okay.
So now your speaking is improving.
You give me feedback. What do you think? Because we are chatting with each other
I
last
are
10 15
used.
minutes. Last 10 15 minutes. So you give me feedback. What
Yes,
do you
I
think?
know you speak well, but when I talk to you first time, that time I feel this thing.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
And
So what?
now time is too long to
Hmm.
connect with you. So
Yeah, after
now
a long time we are meeting with each other. Yeah. So what do you think? Girls should be independent financially or not? What is your opinion?
yes, in my opinion, girls should be sorry.
Independent, financially independent.
Yes, should be
Yeah.
independent financially.
Why?
Because mm, because if we depend if girls depend on their parents and their husbands, then
They
they
are
will
not.
not.
They are our parents. Because if we are depend, तो our आ जाएगा ना.
Sorry.
No problem. We
Okay,
will. We are here to correct with each other.
okay, no problem.
So
Yeah,
don't mind.
when
Please.
I any
Uh,
mistake, then you can tell me.
then I also do lots of mistakes. You know.
Yeah. Okay. So then every girl try to get to independent
Hmm.
herself.
Why? Why
Why?
we should be
If we,
independent?
yes, if we independent, then
Hmm.
we able to take decision,
Yeah.
and then we can do anything,
Of our choice.
whatever we want to do.
Yeah.
And if we are depend on others, then we have to take permission, and then we have always depend on them when they do for us. Then we can do
But I
anything.
see
So it's good.
so many working girls or ladies, they are working, but they don't listen to anyone because because this is my right, and they don't do their duties. They always say our matlab their rights. They don't do the case. What should I do for our elders, for our matlab, the family? So,
Yes.
so what do you think about this?
Means girls do not respect others when when
They are
they do job.
independent. Yeah, yeah. They don't
Okay.
listen to their parents. They say, we are complete. We don't need anyone. We can do anything with my money, or we don't need you. Mm.
It no, not like
Because they
that.
think that
If
money is everything.
no, money
We
is
can
not
keep
everything.
update. We can do anything. Mm.
Yeah,
Mm.
money is not everything.
Hmm.
And yeah, if you are if girls are dependent, then they should not think like that,
Hmm.
because every one needs to each other.
Yeah, definitely.
We
Yeah.
can't live with, only
Hmm.
with money.
Because we need friends and family members. We want to
Yes,
share our sorrow and happiness with them.
yes,
Otherwise, we have lots of strangers, we have lots of neighbors and friends, but we don't want to something because we cannot share all these things with them. So,
yes.
so our near and dear ones are necessary to share happiness and sorrow also. So that way we feel light.
Yeah, you're right.
Uh, So so that is why then I nowadays because they don't have time because they don't have time also. So they are feeling a loneliness also. So they don't want to say. Yeah, that is the reason.
Yes,
In earlier times, everybody just nowadays when there is a son, so every the ladies of the family and the neighbors also they used to sit in the sun and they started used to sew a sweater knitting, and they or some lady are chopping their green vegetable. They are cleaning vegetables like fenugreek leaves and spinach, and they are peeling the peas also.
Yeah.
But at that time, there was not this type of anxiety or depression. But nowadays, it's very common in metro cities. So they don't want to interact with each other. They are self-centered, we can say.
Yes, and this is the opinion person others means person to person. No, everyone not the same.
Yeah. So in your Pilibhit, is it common the ladies when they have a time in their spare time they spend time with their neighbors and their relatives, their co-sisters, etc.
Yes, in my neighborhood, this thing happens.
Friends, na?
They
So they will be happy. I think they will be happy. है ना?
they will be happy and they sit on the roadside and they talk to each other.
I
Yeah,
know because in Firouzabad it used to be happen at that time. So and then
yeah. But
sometimes
I don't
we
like
freely
this
we
thing.
can go in their house. They can come our house also freely. There was no formality at that time. At time every time, even at night also, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock.
Yes, yes. When they
Ah,
come back their houses
hmm.
and at night time
Yeah,
in summer season and in winter season, whole day they spend their time on roadside.
yeah.
Sitting,
When there is
yeah.
a sun, when there is a sun, yeah, I know. Hmm. So at that all will be happy and they will not feel anxiety because they share their man ki baat. They share their yeah. That
Yeah.
is. But in metro cities, everybody has a flat or independent house or for security purpose, they don't open their door.
Yes, and they do not talk to each other.
Hmm. Yeah.
I heard about this.
Yeah. No, no, because everybody is self-centered and so the main reason is that they have no time.